What the fuck?
Siya malas sige sana. Siya malas sige. Hey. Anyway, this photo and all over the places in JB, Jehovah Row. You know why? I don't know. This boy is wanted in JB. He is the best and handsome in JB and Jehovah Row. You know that? And please, if somebody can see his asshole, can contact me. Can contact me on this number 010-8803-277. I don't know, in JB, in Malaysia, everywhere I can see this photo. I think he is a wanted because he's a hilarious boy. Anyway, thanks. Only that one I can say. Thank you very much. Bye bye.